Hello, my
Hi, brother.
goodness.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, Yorme, grabe naman.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
you guys? You look great.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about your suit?
Inspiration.
Yung
Uh,
inspiration, yes?
Inspired by Atenir Ramirez po. And of course, you look amazing din also. And of
Wow.
course,
Awesome.
Wow, thank you.
Ah, thank you.
Iinan to.
Kaya nga eh.
Siyempre, hindi tayo papakabog, di ba? Yorme, how does it feel to be part of GMA Gala 2024?
Well, I'm happy and excited to see maraming magaganda at nagwagwapo ang bata ngayon.
Dami.
Ang dami. Oh, it's sa wakali. Oh. But siyempre, I'm also grateful and humbled with the being part of the event.
Yes, and we're happy,
We're
Yorme,
also very
nakasama ka namin tonight. So, we'll see you guys later.
Oh,
Oo.
yung mo to, oh, pandi, no?
Oo nga.
Grabe.
Parang
Matching.
habulin ng chikas eh.
Yes, I love it, of course.
Edgy look nga yan eh.
Okay, thank you guys
Thank
so
you, thank you.
much.
See you inside, sir.
See you.
See you
Mag-ingat
later.
Yes ba? Try po namin. See ya, see ya.
Of course, ayan, pang madiinan si Yorme, talaga naman.